after Mahua Moitra was expelled from Parliament, the TMC MP has decided to move the Supreme Court, challenging the expulsion. Now, Mahua Moitra has decided to make the next big move. Remember, the Lok Sabha on 8th had passed a resolution to expel Mahua Moitra, citing unethical conduct based on the reports by the Ethics Committee. We have Harish joining us with more details on what next for Mahua Moitra as she decides to move the Supreme Court. Harish.
Yes, in fact, Christine, it's not. In fact, the Mahua Moitra has moved Supreme Court, challenging her expulsion from Lok Sabha. Remember, on Friday, the Lok Sabha had passed a resolution expelling her on the basis of the Ethics Committee report for unethical conduct impacting the national security. And some of the grounds in her petition is that she has said that Ethics Committee was a quasi-judicial body, but she did not get a proper hearing. And Darshan Hiranandani was not made to testify. Only his affidavit was on record. She was not given an opportunity to cross-examine Nishikant Dubey, Jay Anand Dihadri or Darshan Hiranandani and did not get a free and fair trial. A principle of natural justice violated, and there's no evidence of any cash, any gifts anywhere, and she was expelled solely as she had shared login credentials.
Okay, so Mahua Moitra has moved the Supreme Court with regards to the cash for query allegations against her. She's moved the Supreme Court against expulsion. This is Inside Scoop on Mahua Moitra's legal strategy that we have managed to access. Now, this is source-based information wherein we are learning now that Mahua Moitra has moved the Supreme Court already. With regards to her expulsion, we are learning of more news on what grounds is she citing while moving the Supreme Court. Reportedly, she says Ethics Committee was a quasi-judicial body, did not get a proper hearing. Darshan Hiranandani was not made to testify on the affidavit which was on record. She was not given an opportunity to cross-examine Nishikant Dubey and Jay Anand Dihadri or Darshan Hiranandani. Harish, those, are pretty much the allegations she's leveled against the, ethics panel committee as well. She says that I was not heard properly, that cross-examination of the other stakeholders did not take place. We have Rahul Sinha also joining us on the phone line. Before I come to you, Mr. Sinha, Mahua Moitra moves the Supreme Court and she says proper process has not been followed, due procedure has not been followed, and hence this move.
देखिए, बात यह है, अदालत में जाने का अधिकार भारत का सबका नागरिक का है. कोई भी विचार मांगने के लिए अदालत जा सकता है, लेकिन जिस तरीका से महुआ मोइत्रा संसद को उन्होंने अपमान किया और सारे तथ्य विदेश से आदान प्रदान किया, ये सारे सबूत आ चुका है. और जिस प्रोसीड्योर का जरिया से उनको निकाला गया, स्पीकर उनको दंडित किया, एकदम सही प्रोसेस है. लेकिन किसी ने अदालत जाने का निर्णय ले ही सकता है, तो ठीक है.